Again, on your next empty page, if you will write dividing with decimals, okay? Super, super, super easy. Okay, so let's put this as our example. Let's put 9 into 2.7. All right, all you do is bring your decimal point up. So the decimal point just comes straight up, okay? And then you look at that as 9 into 27.
3.
Okay, so what would we get, Lucas?
3.
3. So your answer is just 0.3. Okay, so all you do is bring your decimal point up. Okay, let's put another example in here because there's one thing that can happen sometimes when you're dividing with decimals so that you've got this. Okay, so let's put 4 into 0.08. Okay, so first of all, my decimal point comes up. Okay, and then can 4 go into 0?
No.
Okay, so I need to put a 0 there. Okay, because my decimal point's here, because it wouldn't make sense to put, and we can put 4 into 8, which is 2. And it wouldn't make sense for my answer to be point, blank space, 2. Okay, so you have to put a 0 since the decimal point's there, so your answer would be 0.02. Okay, if you're putting 4 into 0.08. Okay, so let's go to your whiteboard and we are going to do some decimal division. Okay, and you'll be able to use your short division, which we talked about earlier this year while we're doing this. And that would be, like, for instance, on this problem. So let's put 3 into 0.51. So first of all, our decimal point's coming up. Okay, and then we're going to start by putting 3 into 5. So how many times can we put 3 into 5, Annika?
1.
With
2 left
2 left over. So remember, the 2 goes here. And then the next time, we're putting 3 into 21. And so what would that be, Hannah? 7. So our answer is 0.17. Okay, let's try another one. Again, this should be easy. The main thing you gotta do is remember to bring your decimal point up. And then you're just dividing like normal. Let's put 4 into 0.72. So again, our decimal point comes up, and then we start by putting 4 into 7. So how many times can 4 go into 7, Hannah? Say it again. 1. So how much left over?
2.
4 times 1 is 4. This is a 7.
2 left over.
The difference between 4 and 7.
3.
There's 3 left over, right. All right, and then we're putting 4 into 32. 4 into 32. Amelia?
8.
8. So it's 0.18. Okay, 0.18 or 1800. Okay, let's try another one. All right, let's do, let's do 4 into 2.48. Okay, so again, our decimal point's going to come up. And remember, you think of that, we can't put 4 into 2, but we don't need to put a 0 there because it's before the decimal. So then we're going 4 into 24. Remember, you just ignore the decimal. So we're starting by putting 4 into 24. How many times can 4 go into 24, Graham? 6. We don't have anything left over. And then we're putting 4 into 8. Which will be what, Haley?
2.
2. So our answer would be 0.62. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, let's try 9 into 81.63. Okay, we're gonna have to be kind of careful on one part on this one. So again, before we do anything, always bring your decimal point up first because if you don't, sometimes you'll forget to do it. So we need to bring our decimal point up first, and then we're putting 9 into 81. So what do we get when we put 9 into 81, Lucas? 9. Okay, so the 9's gonna go here. Okay, the next time we're putting 9 into 6. We can't, so we have to put a 0. Okay, but the next time, we're going into 63. And so what about 9 going into 63, Hannah? Good, so 9.07 will be
Why
our
can't
answer.
you just do 63? Like,
You do,
but how come you have to do the 6 first and then the 63?
because you can't have an answer that's 9 blank space 7. Once you start your answer, every number has to have something on top of it. So it'd be 9.07. Okay, let's try this one. Let's put five into 0.4. Okay, so we're gonna bring our decimal point up. Okay. So remember with the decimals, remember we can add zeros to the end of it and it's not gonna change 0.4. 0.4 is 0, 0.40000, it's the same thing, right? And I can't put 5 into 0.4, but I can add a 0 if I want to, and then it works. Okay, so what would I get for this one? So of course we can't put 5 into 4, so we're gonna put a 0. But by adding a 0 to the 4, I now have 40. And so Graham, what would I get?
20.
I can't hear you.
28.
It goes in 8, so you're gonna have 0.08. Okay, so you can add zeros too anytime you need to in a problem. Because again, 0.4, 0.40, 0.4 with a million zeros is still 0.4.